Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kasturi Rajesh Kumar. In this video, I am going to unbox Amazon Echo Input Smart Edition speaker. I have bought it for 4000 rupees in Amazon and the MRP on the box is 6000 rupees. This is the introductory offer price. After few months, they will change the price to 6000 rupees. The main advantage in this product is this is portable product. It has 4800 mAh battery and you can carry it anywhere in your home. That's why I like this product and I bought it. I am using Amazon Echo products from 3 to 4 years. I have Amazon Echo Dot. I also have Amazon Echo Dot 3 also at my home. I will show those products at the end of the video. And they are going to give us one charging adapter, one cable and the speaker, and it is manufactured in the 2019. To open any Amazon product, no scissors are required, just we can peel it off with our hands. Now let me open the box and let me show the contents. Here is the speaker. Keep it aside. They have given some user manuals. And the speaker weight is 448 grams. Now let me see what's inside the box. They have given us one user manual regarding the Echo Input portable speaker and how to connect it and how to set up it. They have given the process. If you want to read the user manual, you can pause it and read. I don't want to read the user manual because I know everything about the speaker. If you have any queries, then you can refer it. Whenever you buy this speaker, you have to select one option in Amazon. Then no need to set up this speaker. I will show that process on the screen. You have to select link to my Amazon account to simplify setup. You have to select the checkbox. Whenever you select the checkbox, it doesn't require any setup process. Directly, if you power on the device, it will connect it to your Wi-Fi network. This is the advantage on the Amazon network. And they've given how to use the Echo Input. They've given some comments. I know how to use the device, that's why I'm keeping the user manual beside. And they've given us one charger inside this. I guess this is the 5-watt charger only. They will always give 5-watt charger only. This is the 5-watt adapter. And this is one micro USB cable. Cable quality is very good. Now let us open the product now. It doesn't require power to switch on. Directly we can switch on because it has 4800 mAh battery on this. This is the main advantage. That's why I have purchased it from Amazon. And the 4 mics are given on the top of the speaker and one function button. And I already told you it has 4800 mAh battery. And on top they have given one function button and one mute and mute button they have given, and it has 360-degree surrounding speaker also. This is the advantage on this. Now let me power on the device. Just press and hold the power button for few seconds. Now this is the battery. It has 100% battery. If you want to see the battery status, just single tap. If you press and hold, it is power and on off button, and if you single tap it, then you can see the battery status. And it has volume plus volume minus buttons, and top they are given function button and mute buttons also. They are giving 4 microphones on this speaker. Now I have already told you, whenever you buy this device, just select that link option and no need to open the app and no need to pair the device. Directly it will connect to my internet automatically. This is the advantage on this device. But during checkout you have to select that option. They have given only single LED light. They have not given the circular LED light. To save the battery, they are using only single LED light on this device. But in previous versions, that circular light is given. Like in Echo Dot 3 and Echo Dot 2, they have given the circular LED light. But here they are giving us only single LED light to save the battery. And it has 360-degree speaker and power on off button, plus minus buttons, and 4 microphones, and already I told you function button, mute and mute button is given. But in Echo Dot 3 they will give some extra buttons like volume plus and volume minus. Without giving command also you can operate this device. Just for that you have to press and hold the power button, function button. Then without saying Alexa you can give the commands. Now I am comparing with Amazon Echo Dot 2 side by side. See the size. You can use Echo Dot 2 because you can run the Echo Dot 2 with power bank also, because it has a micro USB port. Friends, it has a circular LED light. Now I have muted both the speakers to show you the difference. Here only dot LED is given, but here circular LED is given. I told you na, to save the battery they have given this feature. And you can run Echo Dot 2 with power bank because it has a micro USB port, and even this speaker has a micro USB port. But in Echo Dot 3 they have replaced micro USB port. They have given some different port. Every time you have to use the power adapter only in Echo Dot 3, but in Echo Dot 2 you can carry it anywhere because it's very tiny. But in Echo Dot 2 only tweeters are given and top mounted speakers are there. And in Echo Dot 3 they have given some bass radiator. Sound quality is good in Echo Dot 3. And in Echo Dot 3 the 360-degree surrounding speakers are there. But the drawback is it requires power. And one more advantage in Echo Dot 3 is they are giving us 3.5 mm aux port. And in Echo Dot 2 also they are giving us one aux port. Then you can connect any sound bar or external speaker. But in Echo input they are not giving us aux port. You cannot connect any external speakers. That is the drawback in this Echo input portable speaker. And now let me do one thing. Let me unmute each device and let me show you the sound clarity. I will ask some questions, then you can decide which is the best one. And this is just unboxing video. I will produce one more full video on this product. Like if I play the songs I will get the copyright on this video. That's why I am not playing any songs. And Echo Dot 3 even a circular design, 360-degree speakers, and it has a LED light, and it has 4 speakers and mute button. And they have given additional volume buttons on Echo Dot 3, but in Echo input portable speaker there are no volume buttons. Friends, actually this video is recorded in Telugu language. I am giving voiceover in English language. Sorry for the inconvenience. I have a Rajesh Telugu Tech Telugu channel, and recently I created Rajesh English Tech channel because some people are asking to talk in English. That's why I am recording some products in English. Only few products I am recording in English. And now let me unmute the speaker and I will ask some comments to this Echo Dot input for some time, each one by one.
Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, how's the weather now?
Right now in Hyderabad, Telangana, it's 33 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 33 degrees and a low of 23 degrees.
ఇది 10 నెంబర్
Happy
వాల్యూమ్.
Wednesday.
ఇది 10 వాల్యూమ్లో చూపించాను మీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది మ్యూట్ చేద్దాం, ఇది అన్మ్యూట్ చేద్దాం. అలెక్సా వాల్యూమ్ 10. అలెక్సా హౌస్ ద వెదర్ నౌ?
Currently, in Secunderabad it's 33 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 33 degrees and a low of 23 degrees.
ఇందులో మీకు బేస్ రేడియేటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇందులో ట్వీటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ ఇందులో మీకు భజన్స్ కానీ అలాంటి సాంగ్స్ వింటే బాగుంటుంది. బేస్ పాటలు వింటే నచ్చదు ఇందులో మీకు, కానీ కమెంట్స్ మాత్రం చాలా బాగా తీసుకుంటుంది ఇది. మీరు కావాలంటే దీనికి బ్లూటూత్ స్పీకర్ కూడా కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సౌండ్ బార్ కూడా కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దీనికి కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు, దీనికి చేసుకోరాదు. ఇది మైక్ మళ్ళీ మ్యూట్ చేసి దీన్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. ఇది ఎట్లా చూద్దాం. అలెక్సా వాల్యూమ్ 10. Alexa, how's the weather now?
Right now in Secunderabad, it's 33 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 33 degrees and a low of 23 degrees.
Friends, I hope you like this video. I will upload the full review in next video. And goodbye friends, take care, bye bye.